Hello guys, today we're going to be doing a really special review, and it's for the SJ-Gimbal. Now many of you probably know that this is SJCAM's first gimbal. In this review, we are just going to show you the build of it, talk about the modes, the specs, and all that good stuff. Before we get started though, I'll remind you to like our video, also subscribe. Now this gimbal should be releasing by the end of October, early November. So you can stay tuned to our channel as we will be making more announcements and doing an official unboxing. Okay, so here let's just show you some of the buttons. So here we have the mode button, we have an LED indicator light, power button, and shutter button. So this allows you to take photos or record video with the SJ6 and SJ7. Now for other SJCAM models like the SJ4000 series and SJ5000 series, this button will not be functional. So you can mount other SJCAM series onto this gimbal, but you can only use control mode for the SJ6 and SJ7 series models. On the side here we have a micro USB port for charging. The battery specs and the charge and the life, we'll get back to you on that later. On the bottom here we have a 1/4 inch mount, and we have a lanyard hole here. Now here we have the pan motor. Over here we have the tilt motor. And back here we have the roll motor. So this is a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer. So that pretty much covers the build of the unit. Here we have 2 screws to mount the action camera. And you can see here this is a mini USB to 3-pin cable. So at the moment, this will only support SJ6 and SJ7 models. One quick note about the cameras that you can mount. For SJCAM models, you can mount all the models, all the series except for the M20 and the M10 series models cameras. You can also mount other models. So if you're going to mount a non-SJCAM camera onto this SJ-Gimbal, the dimensions that you can mount are, for length it's 58 to 62 millimeters, width it ranges from 21 to 25 millimeters, and height it ranges from 41 to 45 millimeters. Now the tilt and pan range goes up to 320 degrees. The roll range goes up to 80 degrees. And just some quick specs about the tilt speed. It has a minimum of 3 degrees per second and a maximum of 70 degrees per second. Pan speed, it has a minimum of 5 degrees per second, and max it goes up to 120 degrees per second. And the SJ-Gimbal, it weighs 350 grams, and the dimensions are 260 millimeters by 82 millimeters by 107 millimeters. Now we'll put all this information inside of our video description, and maybe even link it to a blog. Okay guys, let's get to the fun part. So we'll show you some of the button operations. So to power the unit on, you press the power button down, and upon powering you can see the gimbal turns on and gets itself ready. Now you press the power button twice to turn the device on. Okay, now we can see that the SJ7 is on and it's charging. So I'm using the joystick here, and you can see here that it is charged. It's fully charged. Okay, now let's talk about some of the modes. So there are 4 modes, and the first mode, it's pan following mode. So upon powering the unit on using the SJ-Gimbal, it will go into pan following mode by default. So we'll just show you some of the pan following. Now in pan following, you can use the joystick to rotate the camera up and down. Now we actually uploaded about a 5-minute video just showing the SJ-Gimbal in action, and we'll also be uploading some footage. Now the second mode, okay, so when in the first mode it has a green indicator light. To switch to the second mode, which is locking mode, you press the mode button again and the light turns red, and we can see here that the camera is locked in position. And again, we uploaded another video that really better illustrates it. The third mode is pan tilt following mode. So you press the button again and the light turns blue, and let's see, pan tilt following. And this one's kind of hard to see, like because the camera's too close. But again, you can check out the other footage on our channel. And the fourth mode, you have to press the mode button twice, and it will turn into a rainbow type of a blue-red mix. And this is the selfie mode. So again, you can take a picture of yourself. Okay, so these are the 4 modes that the SJ-Gimbal supports. And again, when you power the unit on, it goes into pan following mode by default. And the light is green. Okay guys, I think it just about wraps up this review. We will do an official unboxing. Actually, I do have one of the accessories that I know that comes with. It's a carrying case, which is kind of cool. It's a nice high quality padded case. And so you can just pop your SJ-Gimbal in there and then be on your way. It has a nice adjustable strap. Another accessory that it will come with is a micro USB charge cable, a user manual, and possibly a lanyard. Okay guys, this just about wraps up this review. Make sure to like our video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.